up everyone? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making crispy cheese as you've seen. Crispy Parmesan. Crispy Parmesan is used to garnish your dishes. It's a very simple recipe, so let's just get started. First, induction on, pan on, butter ready in hand. Now I'm going to add my Parmesan. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour to this so it can keep things in place. You just wait for this to become crispy. That's when we will get it out. So heat a little bit to see what is happening. To increase the heat a little bit, just to see what's going to happen. And then I'm just going to shut it and let it cool down. Once it's cooler, it becomes a little stiff. Basically what you get is little Parmesan chips. So if you want like a full circular, if you want this to stick together, so you need to add more flour to it so that the butter and flour bind together and you can have a proper shape or a round shape if you need, or a square shape, whatever. It forms little biscuits of Parmesan which are quite delicious. Put it on top of fish or beef. So this is it, crispy cheese, crispy Parmesan. Very easy recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I will see you in another episode. Till then, take care y'all. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. Normal bread, I'm using a bun. So I'm going to cut this in half. First, okay, with heat on the lowest, we'll toast the buns a little bit, add butter. This butter is melted, just going to add my bun. Make sure it's coated nicely on both sides of butter. Make sure it's coated nicely with butter on both sides so you can get just toasted slightly and then we'll start adding the cheese. We'll also make this in a griller, a sandwich griller, but then there's no fun. This is how you should make your grilled cheese. Now the best way to go about a grilled cheese is to put it on low heat so that your cheese melts properly inside and the bread is also properly toasted and not burnt. So I'm going to add some grated cheddar. So it gives a nice flavor, which is why I'm adding just some Parmesan on top of the cheddar. I want to put this and press and just let it go. On slow flame so the cheese also melts and the buns also get toasted properly. That's what we're going for here. Totally delicious, very simple to execute and full of calories. It's not the best thing if you want to go on a diet. Our grilled cheese is ready, it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe and share Desi Bites, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you guys take care and see you all.
Hi everybody and welcome to Desi Bites. Since the festive season is on, I have some very easy desserts for you to make at home. This is called the Frozen Alaska. Now, first you get a bowl, take some vanilla ice cream, then some condensed milk. This is a very rich dessert, as you can see. Just mix that together. Then I'm going to add Oreo cookies. I've got the chocolate flavor. So I've crushed them from one side. You can use a cream flavored ones. I'm just using the chocolate ones because the store didn't have any cream flavored. You can always add some more. So I'm a little generous with my Oreo. Once you've got this done, take a fancy glass for your mixture in this fancy glass. Now to top this off, I'm going to crush some walnut. Let them, sink inside. And now in the freezer to set, and your dessert is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that simple recipe, and do try this at home because it is very tasty. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do not forget to comment on Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode. Till then, you take care. See you.